Hi, this is Jessica from Consumer Debt Help Association. Our nation is engaged in a war of extreme proportion, a war unlike any war fought in America's history. The enemy in this war is COVID-19, or as reported in the news, the coronavirus. In an effort to control the spread of the COVID-19, extreme measures are being implemented by our governments that will cause hardship for many Americans. As the routine of our daily lives are disrupted, so are the incomes of many of our neighbors and potentially ourselves. Most analysts agree that this will negatively impact our economy. Many of us will have to make tough decisions in the weeks and months ahead concerning our finances due to the economic impacts. And we want you to know that we're here to help. What you should be doing now is making a budget to see where you can save money. You're going to have to first and foremost have food on the table and a roof over your head. Make a list from what most important to least, so that when the difficult decisions arise, you will be prepared on what to stop paying until your finances bounce back. You'll want to reduce your monthly bills down as low as possible, and our website explains more in detail. This is where we can help with quickly settling your unwanted credit card debt. We have specialized for the past 10 years in debt settlement and negotiating and have the best debt settlement officers in the business. We are here to help provide national debt relief for our fellow Americans that are in hardship, not knowing how they'll pay their rent. Let us remove a little of your financial hardship by settling your credit card debt for much less than what originally owed. Visit our website to find out more or call us today to become debt-free. Most importantly, stay safe and healthy.